On Monday, social media was awash with reactions following the killing of a Lagos-based female lawyer, Bolanle Rahim, in the Ajah area of the state on Christmas Day by a trigger-happy Assistant Superintendent of Police, the policeman ASP Ijoba, attached to the Ajah police station, and his team were said to have tried to stop Bolanle and her family members as they drove back home from a Christmas Day church service. It is reported that Bolanle was shot dead when the car she was in tried to make a U-turn under the Ajah Bridge. The Lagos State Police Command says it's investigating the incident and have condoled with her family, friends, and the Nigerian Bar Association, assuring that justice will prevail. While reacting to the incident, the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, in a series of tweets, condemned the killing, stating that he received the news with utter shock and sadness. In another tweet, the governor wrote, "The Lagos State Police Command have arrested, disarmed, and detained the officers involved in the incident. Nothing will be spared under the laws of Lagos State until justice is served speedily and adequately." While Bolanle, her friend, wrote, "Bolanle Rahim was my real estate agent. She supported me in my goal and was always cheering me on. She was so hardworking, positive, and such a cheerful spirit. She has a husband and child. I can't even say more. The Nigerian police are killers." Well, Atiku Abubakar wrote, "The shooting of Bolanle Rahim by a police officer is heartbreaking and stands condemned. This latest shooting calls to attention the urgent need for police reforms that will sensitize the force and bring it in line with best policing practices." Well, Peter Obi wrote, "Her killing and the loss of many innocent lives across the nation to trigger happy policemen is the reason why I will embark on the immediate security sector reform and governance. Relatedly, we must improve the functioning and effectiveness of the police by strengthening their civilian oversight, as well as increasing their strength, material, financial allocation, and enhanced professional training. Our national policing strength must be relative to our national population and meet global standards." This is the call. It is such an outrageous incident that occurred on Christmas Day of all days. I was listening earlier to a voice note, though unconfirmed, from her husband saying how he witnessed the shooting of his dear wife. The bullet went through her chest, opened her chest, and she was pregnant. She fell on the floor. It took them a few minutes before they could rush her into the hospital. This policeman, if you can pull up his picture, I believe, their family members took him in the car and drove him to the hospital. Bolanle died in the hospital. This is so horrific. This incident needs to be thoroughly investigated, like the governor of Lagos State has assured us. It's not just about the investigation. This needs to stop. The hashtag #EndSARS has started all over again. I am so heartbroken. Rufai.
Oji, we're all heartbroken. Commiserations to the family. But we don't learn anything in this country. I bet you, Oji, I've been hearing about the atrocious activities of that Ajiwe police station in Ajah. It's been a while now. What was done? Nothing. Oji, it will happen again. We'll come here, we'll talk again. In fact, even the police, they make jest of us. The media will just talk. Even I talk, they go talk. I don't kill the person, finish. Culture, we eat strategy for breakfast. We are not ready. The day we are ready as a country, Nigeria will change. Now, everybody is going on social media. Putin. Oh, presidential candidate too, Putin. The same people. When Deborah died, we know what happened. No? We have not forgotten. No? We have not forgotten. Now, everybody is using Bolanle to trend. May they not use us trend. That's the prayer I pray for everybody. May they not use us trend after our death because of the faulty system. And where do we link it to? Do we train our police officers well? Look, go and check online for a video, Oji. Maybe you can use it on what's trending. It was shot in 2013. The state of our police college in Ikeja, a documentary was done by a TV station. Shambolic. Are we going to say we don't know that police officers are doing all of this? You remember the young man they killed the other time in Ajah? What was done? The last story of Demola Yaya Baton, he was just 15 years they gave the police officer. So they know that they will come out of it. They know that life does not mean anything in the country. They know that nobody is safe in Nigeria, so they can do and undo. And please, I hate it when people make the argument that it's because of money. They are not being, it's a lie.
Absolutely, I agree with you.
It's because the Nigerian police know that they will kill you and nothing will happen.
Absolutely, I agree with you.
And there are people in the federal police force will shield them. That's why they can go ahead and kill people. See, if you are being paid the best money in the world, if you have a mental pattern of thinking that shows that if you do something, there are no consequences for your action, you will go away with it. The American police that they are paying a lot of money, an average American police officer gets like $55,000 a year. Are they not still killing black people? It's because they know that when they kill black people in America, there are no repercussions. The reason why Nigerian police can get away with it is because they know that when they kill people in Nigeria, there are no repercussions. Did we learn anything from NSAS? No. What happened it's not more killings that happen in NSAS. The same killings people protested against the NSAS. Didn't more people get killed? So why do we deceive ourselves so much? I'm just sad for the unborn child. Only God knows what that child will have become in this country. But Oji, let me not deceive you. It will happen again. And me and you will come here and talk about it again.